Hello teams, your case this week is working with ColourPop to decide pricing strategies, and this may be one of the trickiest cases yet, as you're about to find out. So what we need to do for ColourPop is specifically decide pricing for two of their events, event caricatures and live event painting. So just decide how to apply the pricing strategies that you've already learned about in your lectures. So there's competitor-based, cost-based, value-based, and a lot of other stuff you've learned about prices. Check it out. We included some information in the case evidence about this as well to refer to. So your first step to solve the case, review all the evidence, decide which pricing strategies, and on the case report, the first question says, what pricing strategies would you like to implement to determine the price of each of these? How would you implement them in your reasoning? So pretty much tell us, which pricing strategy do you think we should use, or strategies? Why? How would you use them? How specifically would you apply them? And then on the back of the case report, yes, we have a two-page case report. On the back of that, you'll find the second part. We said, based on that strategy you just talked about, give us actual numbers. Tell us the numbers and the price you think that they should go with, or price range, depending. Tell us, what do you think the price should be specifically? And yes, explain your strategy and reasoning. And then the last part, we've got, what wording would you put on the website regarding the prices? First of all, we said, do you think the prices should even be on the website? If so, well, tell us, what do you think they should say about the prices? What do you think that they should say to their target audience to either explain their prices or explain the value? And do you think the prices themselves should be listed? So this ties in together everything from promotion to branding to the target market to the pricing strategies we just learned. As you've seen, it all works together. At the end of class today, after you're finished with the case, we're going to be turning in the case reports. You're going to be turning in the case reports separately in a stack at the front of the classroom, and then turning in the bags containing the folder, the case file folder, and your lanyards. So here we go. Let's determine pricing for ColourPop Art and Design.